Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, working with ribbon in a more contemporary mode. I'm often asked, is ribbon in style? Is it on trend? And yes, it is, but it's not the traditional bow you think of. Oftentimes, it's just a ribbon accent. So taking a bit of ribbon, dovetailing it, then rather than making a bow, just taking a wood pick and attaching it, winding it down, going a little further down the ribbon, adding another wood pick, and yet one more. Then cutting it from the bolt, again dovetailing. Then just taking the pick and placing it into the arrangement, bringing it up through, tucking it so that you wind through, coming back out the other side, tucking it, and then repeat with additional strands until you get just the look you want. Now you know a contemporary way to add ribbon to your designs.